Good morning, and welcome to episode 263 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, February 11th, 2026. The 25th Winter Olympic Games is underway since last Friday in Cortina and Milan, Italy. The U.S. Is currently about 5 medals behind the medal count leader, Norway. They have 12. The U.S. has 7, 2 of which are gold. Cuba is beginning to feel the crippling effects of the U.S. oil blockade. Life is literally grinding to a halt in Cuba without the inflow of oil, and it's leading many to ask, what is the end game there? Here at home, a series of disappointing economic data has left the U.S. stock market pretty much mixed but unchanged, and metals dipped slightly, with suggestions that we are seeing a easing in inflationary pressures. The data that came out were a few different pieces. First, the GDP control group came in at a 0.1% drop. December retail sales were disappointing despite the belief that they would be fairly good. Job openings hit the lowest levels since 2020, and private payroll was also very lackluster and disappointing, lower than expected. As a result, many believe that we will see 2 rate cuts in the balance of 2026. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers and see what the metals did over the past week. Gold was your only winner in the precious metal space this past week. It's up 0.2%, 0.2%, to $5,059.30 an ounce. It was $5,050.60 last week. Silver is down 7.3% to $83.86 an ounce. It was $90.45 last week. Platinum is down 5% to $2,193. It was $2,309 an ounce last week. And palladium is down 3.2%, trading at $1,790 an ounce. It was $1,850 an ounce last week. With gold outperforming silver, it's going to take more ounces of silver to buy that ounce of gold. Your gold-silver ratio is up this week to 60.33. It was 55.84 last week. And your dollar continues its weakening trend, dipping below 97 on the index against its major trading partners. It's trading at 96.63. It was 97.54 last week. Just want to raise 2 little points just to raise to everybody's attention. First off, with the unprecedented volume going on in this current bull market, both buys and sells, we're seeing most wholesalers and depositories backed up with orders. So we're seeing longer times to process orders. If you buy something, they have the metal, but they're seeing so much volume, it's taking plenty of time to get that metal shipped out to you. It's coming. At least if you buy from us, we are only selling things that are absolutely in hand and committed to you and you alone. But it's going to take a little time to get there. And if you're selling things, it's just unprecedented volume at the depositories at these higher levels. It's taking them time to receive and verify packages, and they will get to you in order that they're received, but just need a little bit of patience from everybody. The second thing I want to raise is we're seeing a lot more information being shared on the internet regarding precious metals, regarding tax treatments, and you name it, there are people out there talking about it. And sometimes they're not even people. Sometimes they're artificial intelligence bots that are basically spewing information. I will tell you, there is an awful lot of information available to you on the internet, and some of it is actually correct. You got to be super careful, people. Only thing I can say to protect yourself and make sure you're following the right guidance is, if you hear something on the internet and it makes you question or think, go to a trusted source. If you've been working with us, we've been around 44 years now. There are others like us that know what is going on in the marketplace, what are the current regulations that affect you, and what are the current trends in the industry. Call us and ask us. I kind of liken it to going on the internet and treating yourself for medicine and looking up your own ailments. You could get it wrong. If you have any questions, reach out to us. That's what we're here for. Our toll-free number is 800-831-0007. That's 10 better than James Bond. We'll answer any questions you have. Happy to do so to make sure you get the story straight. As always, we want you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments and questions, follow us on social media, take our twice weekly Always Something Interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. You can sign up for all of that in the description paragraph below. But in the end, don't ever forget, getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.